Come on. All right. Come on down. Down. You can sit up or you move back. Look that closer. Beautiful. Wow. Good family. You know that everything over here. Let's go. Yeah. 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 100 pounds over now. 200. Where are you, Joey? Where are you, Joey? Where's Joey? There we go. 300 pounds. 300. 300 right now. Let's go. 300 pounds right here. There we go. Where's Sabrina? Don't you be afraid. Come on. Come on. Isn't she beautiful? 100 pounds now. Beautiful. 100 pounds now. Go back and grip. Come on. Bring it up. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. Let's go. 100 pounds. There's my hand. 298 right now. Let's go. 100 pounds. Yeah, down. 100. You got anybody out here today? Ladies and gentlemen, 100. 100. On March 27th, we will honor all of our members as once again we are being honored by yet another award at any time. And I ask all my members that lost 100 pounds, 50 pounds, 40 pounds, 30 pounds, single count. Or if you haven't lost a pound, just come. How are we doing?
Great.
We go home now?
Yes.
Why can't we go this yet? Who can't wait?
Not yet.
Who can't wait again? Come on, let's go. Punch and Protect. I need your email address. I can send you the address. 107th Avenue, right off of Merritt. On the other side of Merritt for ISA. Hook shot. Uppercut. Hook shot. Punch and roll. Wednesday and Thursday we're at Rockdale. You rest Friday, or maybe not, depending on what your schedule is. Then we're back here on Saturday. So. Take a few. 45, 45, 45, single count.